Collaborative manufacturing scenarios in Industry 4.0, where humans and robots are supposed to work together in close vicinity, as well as cross-site, require appropriate user interfaces and digital twin technology. Virtual reality glasses are nowadays technically mature and can be used as intuitive control interface for remote operations in shared production scenarios, relying on digital twin information about the remote site. Based on an interactive 3D model of a collaborative robot arm, we implemented a bimanual control where hands of the VR operator by means of two VR controllers can take different roles, such as guidance of the gripper or stabilizing specific joints of the arm. A visualization of the current joint state supports the operator not to exceed the joint limits of the real robot. During the manipulation of the virtual joints, their current configuration is transmitted to the real robot, which resembles the intended motion in real time. By controller inputs via the analog stick and buttons, the VR operator is provided a fine-tuned control of the gripper in terms of a continuous or stepwise opening or closing. With the help of 3D cameras, important information about the remote site can be provided for its digital twin. Here, we use one camera to detect pre-known objects and another camera to capture unknown information as 3D point cloud. The object detection module covers the assembly workspace on the table and detects different product parts. Using a pre-trained neural network, the location of spare parts, as well as assembled combinations of these parts, can be determined. From available depth data of the 3D camera and the detected positions of the objects, we infer their 3D position. By means of a hand-eye calibration between the camera and the robot, we can interpret said pose relative to the robot. The VR operator has now access to model-based parts of the real world. However, information about remote entities, where such knowledge is not available, is still missing. With the help of the second camera by means of a 3D point cloud, we provide information about unknown obstacles such as tools and the position and activities of remote workers. At this point, the VR operator has all the information needed for a cross-site collaboration. The presented system enables intuitive, natural interaction between workers and robots in cross-site production processes with distributed tasks such as assembly, handover and delivery of components. In addition to the example scenario shown, further remote operations, such as remote maintenance and support, are possible. Furthermore, the system can be used to conduct user or elicitation studies in a Wizard of Oz setting, where participants can be asked to work together with a robot in any way they imagine it would be useful, unbeknownst that the robot is in reality remote controlled by another human. Digital twin information as collected over time can be used for real-time monitoring, data analysis tasks, for process optimization, or to teach the robot to perform actions on its own. In this respect, the logged robot joint data derived from the VR operator's actions could be used to either automatically segment the robot trajectory into single actions or to automatically learn new actions.